Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure your device runs a current iOS and that you are signed into your Apple ID. Once done, look for the App Store with Spotlight Search and in the App Library because the icon may simply be moved. If you can't find it, open Settings and check screen, time right arrow content and privacy restrictions. The App Store can be hidden there. Do this now so you don't waste time reinstalling when a permissions toggle will fix it. Once you've verified sign-in and permissions, use the App Library or Spotlight to pull the App Store back onto your home screen. Drag it out if located. If restrictions were the cause, toggle content and privacy restrictions off or explicitly allow the App Store. That change takes effect immediately. If the icon is gone entirely, open App Store from Search and re-add, or go to your Apple ID purchase list to re-download system app links. If layout corruption persists, reset home screen layout to restore default icons. To finish, restart your device and install any pending iOS updates. System fixes often restore missing system app functionality. If the App Store still doesn't appear, sign out and back into your Apple ID in Settings, or reset home screen layout to force default icons to return. As a last resort, restore your device from a recent backup or contact Apple support for guided recovery. If nothing works, the single best troubleshooting tip is reboot, update, then try a backup restore. Those 3 steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.